S Gorgeous Unisex Salon, and I've been invited to see the kind of services that they provide. So I'm going to speak to the gorgeous owner and talk to the customers about what they feel about this parlor. So stay tuned. I hear that you have motivated her majorly to do all of this and you pushed her. So how, why, and like, of course, good.
Yes, I really saw her. She's interested in this.
Okay.
So I had to happen.
Okay.
And you can see today she made me proud of.
Oh.
Actually, it's true.
And in this time, she perfectly take care
Thank
of
you.
salon
Thank
and
you.
house as well.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Monica, and it's been like 1 year. I used to come here for my makeup, for every beauty advice. So it's an amazing experience for me for my makeup, and I think that why I should always come here, or I prefer this than other salons, because the staff here and because of the treatment they give to me. So I think that this is amazing, and this is an amazing experience I have ever had.
Hi Akshay.
Hey, hi.
Did you like it?
Yeah,
Haircut?
yeah, of course. Earlier I had some straight hair. Then my friend Sohail suggested me for fire cut, and you won't believe I had no idea about that, and I was completely afraid that I don't know that what is going to be. But ultimately, it was very fantastic.
Okay. Will do again?
Yeah, sure.
Fire cut.
In fact, I would say this is my best salon ever, and I am living for last year in Gurgaon, and I would say this is one of my best.
ठीक है. हाय, माय नेम इज़ शाहरुख, एंड मेरे को 1.5 साल हो गए यहाँ पर आते हुए, सर्विस लेते हुए, एंड आई वाज क्वाइट हैप्पी एंड आई एम स्टिल नाउ, एंड थैंक यू सो मच शिल्पी.
So this is a salon in the neighborhood, and I am a regular visitor over here, and I had a great time over here. I got my extensions done, and of course I enjoy coming here again and again. So, and she is Shilpi, and she's actually the owner. So I wanted you to meet her.
Yeah.
Shilpi, say hi.
Hi. Devjani ma'am is my friend and also coming for services.